Good morning, my friends. Today I decided to take you on a little mental health walk together with me and discuss some hair care secrets and some little tips and tricks that I know about the hair. Even though I was not born a hairy person and I tend to get some seasonal hair loss almost each winter, I still manage to get my hair really long and healthy, and I am really proud of myself for that, and it really boosts my confidence so much. It is a beautiful sunny spring morning and I want to talk about hair growth, assuming you want to grow longer hair. And I want to start with some simple hair math. I grow my hair by about 1 centimeter per month, which is like a healthy average for most people. And theoretically, that means that I can grow my hair by about 12 centimeters per year. But it doesn't really happen that way, because if we don't cut our hair at all, the split ends will just start breaking little by little and they will fall off. So you will not grow your hair that much. So the first rule of healthy hair is cutting your hair about 3 to 4 times per year. And that's what I do. I cut my hair 3 to 4 times per year and I cut about 2 centimeters each time. So that means that I cut about 6 to 8 centimeters of hair each year. And that means that in the end I grow my hair for about 4 to 6 centimeters per year. And I think that is a very achievable and healthy number that all of us can get to. And I want you to really keep this number in mind, to not to expect and ask too much from your hair, and to really treat your hair with love and patience. So keeping that number of hair growth in mind, I want to talk about the hair care products that all of you need to have in your hair care routine. And those are super simple. Those are a clarifying shampoo, a conditioner, a hair mask, and also a leave-in hair treatment. Bonus points if you have a hair serum, like a scalp serum, and a hair oil. That is quite obvious that all of you need to have a shampoo, and I really suggest you get a clarifying shampoo, because the most important job of a shampoo is to clean your scalp. Because if you want to grow long and healthy hair, you need to have a healthy scalp. Your scalp needs to be clean, it needs to be moisturized, and you really need to get rid of all of the buildup that you have on your scalp from all of the hair products that you use, all of those silicones. You need to get rid of those, and if you want to do this, you need a clarifying shampoo. And the best way to shampoo your hair is to shampoo your hair twice every time you wash your hair. That is a general recommendation of hair stylists. And also then you need to apply conditioner every time. And when you apply conditioner, the best way for you to do it is to apply it on your hair after it was dried with a towel, because if your hair is a little bit dry, the conditioner is going to penetrate your hair better. And then after you wash your hair with the conditioner, you wash off the conditioner, you dry your hair with a towel, you wait just a little bit for your hair to get a little bit dry, and then every time you need to apply a leave-in hair treatment. And a leave-in hair treatment is supposed to protect your hair from the heat of your hair tools, like from your hair dryer, and also it is meant to protect your split ends, to really restore them and to give your hair that silky smooth look, that glossy glass hair look. That's why I really love leave-in hair treatments. Those could be sprays, those could be some serums, those could also be hair oils. And then I really suggest that you use a hair mask. I think that you should use a hair mask once per each week, and that is very important if you want to grow your hair longer, because what a hair mask is supposed to do, it is supposed to seal in the moisture in your hair, and it is also supposed to protect your hair from breaking, and this way you're going to feel like you need to cut your hair less and less. Another thing that I wanted to mention is rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a super hot topic right now, and I've already talked about it twice on my channel. And basically, to sum it up, rosemary oil is a scientifically proven treatment right now for hair growth, and I've experienced really good hair growth with rosemary oil. I feel like it didn't help me grow new hairs, but it helped my hairs that I already have grow faster and longer. It didn't grow by 1 centimeter as it usually does, but it grew by, I would say, 1.5 centimeters per month, and I was super satisfied with the results. If you want to try rosemary oil, I think that is a great idea, but be careful and don't get the fake MIELLE rosemary oil. I have a video on my channel for you to check your MIELLE rosemary oil if you have it at home, if it is a fake product or if it is a real product. Be careful with it and never ever use any fake beauty products, because those can just really harm your health, and never do that. And then I wanted to mention scalp serums for hair growth. And if you don't want to use minoxidil, which has a ton of side effects, like I don't want to use scalp serums with minoxidil, the scalp serums I would recommend for you are caffeine-based scalp serums and scalp serums with aminoxidil. I tried both, and both of these serums are scientifically proven to help with the growth of new hairs. If you really want to get deeper in the science of hair and learn more about hair growth and the scientifically proven treatments for hair growth, I suggest you watch a video or listen to a podcast of Andrew Huberman about hair and hair growth. I will find a link and put it in the description for you. This is a really in-depth episode, and it really helped me learn more about the science of hair and understanding what are science-based hair treatments and what are just pure marketing things of beauty brands and that don't do anything good for your hair. And another science-based hair treatment for hair growth is microneedling, at-home microneedling. And I've already started doing this, and I have to say I'm quite enjoying it so far, but I'm not ready to share my final thoughts on it just yet with you. I think I will keep on doing it for a few months, and then I will share a video about microneedling on my channel. But this is one of a few hair treatments which has been scientifically proven to work. That's why if you want to try it, I think it's a great idea. But just don't forget to disinfect your microneedling tool every time before you use it. It's very important. And another hair care rule that I wanted to mention today is that your friend should be cold temperature air and cold temperature water. So every time you wash off your conditioner, in the end of washing your hair, wash off your conditioner with cold water, because cold temperature of the water is just going to help you seal in the moisture in your hair, and it's going to give your hair that glossy, beautiful, shiny, silky look. And the same works for cold air from your hair dryer. When you're finishing to dry your hair, you need to finish it with the cold air button. If you finish drying your hair with cold air, your hair is just going to have the beautiful, silky, glossy look, and it's also going to be healthier because all of the moisture is going to stay in the hair. And the last tip that I wanted to share with you guys today is a very important one. It is to never take hair advice from people who have a very different hair type from yours and who have different hair concerns from yours, because in the end you will just be disappointed that their advice doesn't work. Because if you are not the person who was born with a head full of hair with bushy eyebrows and long black lashes, the hair journey is just not going to look the same for you as it is for those people. And that was everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. Please tell me if you liked my hair tips, and if you want to learn more about my hair journey, write about it in the comments below. And also please tell me if you liked this video format where we go together for a walk and I share some of my beauty advice and some of the things that I learned through my hair journey, and not only hair, different things in life and beauty. And I will see you very soon. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Bye.